In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub MCP to Cursor. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate GitHub MCP with your Cursor environment. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by going to the Cursor agent page. Once you're on the page, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you should find a three-dot menu icon located right beside your profile. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with several options. This is the starting point for accessing the necessary settings, so don't hesitate to click on it when you're ready. Next, you'll need to navigate to Cloud Agent Settings. This option should be clearly visible once you've opened the menu from the three-dot icon. Clicking on Cloud Agent Settings will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Cursor environment, including different integrations and configurations. Make sure you're in the right place before proceeding to the next step. With Cloud Agent Settings open, your next move is to select Integrations. This is where you can manage and connect various third-party services to enhance the functionality of your Cursor experience. The Integrations section is crucial because it allows you to connect Cursor with other platforms and tools you use in your workflow. So, go ahead and click on Integrations to move forward. Now, you should be looking for the GitHub option. This might take a moment to find if you have a lot of integrations, but it's there. Once you locate GitHub on the list, you'll see a prompt or a button that says Connect. Click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process between GitHub MCP and Cursor. This step is important as it begins the authorization and linking process, allowing both platforms to communicate and work together efficiently. Once you click Connect, follow any additional prompts or steps that may appear to complete the integration. This could involve authorizing access or confirming permissions depending on your specific setup and requirements. Rest assured, these steps are standard for ensuring a secure and functional integration. And there you have it. You've successfully connected GitHub MCP to Cursor. This integration allows you to leverage the power of GitHub right within your Cursor environment, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, be sure to check out Cursor's support resources or community forums for additional help. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and you feel confident in setting up this integration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, happy coding.